pressing this until it starts blinking, and you know you heard that noise. Now we need to change the needle position with 1, 2, 3, 4, like right, left, up, down. Now when I turn this, like this, you will see that what we need is number 12. Click the 12, click down, or it's actually 13. 13. Back down. 13. So before we go in the way, so we can bring this down because this is the middle perfect, and this is the center. So when we go back here, yeah, see? Top to bottom. Now I need to do this. I think I am. Now how to check? The good way to check is the scissors button. So what it will do, the scissors button will now have it says right here. So to press the button. So whenever this sign comes up on the screen, that means that you need to press the green button. So when you press the green button, the needle will go down and make a clip. So that was a clip. So now just with that clip we will know that, oh okay, so is that a middle point or not. Okay, so go ahead and do the green button. See, it get right in the middle there. So now we know that we're in the middle, and once this is in the middle, every head is in the middle as well. They're aligned, right? So to the number 13, you see, to the number 13, they're in the middle there, like that. Okay.